this American pie. Drove the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Good old boys drinking whiskey and rye.
Hello?
Your fingers across the key.
Hello? How can I help you? Oh, you're Allie's friend. Okay.
Apparently, all modern radio is not working. We have flashed back to the time of...
What is happening?
You can understand what they're talking about.
Oh, such a long, long time ago.
How am I gonna live without Lady Gaga? How? Need a Keisha. Need a Keisha. Oh, Lady Gaga withdrawal.
And this was his tragic death.
Poker face.
Lincoln Meadows Parkway.
Poker face. Poker face. I was going through Lady Gaga withdrawal.
Because as you can hear, this is the new music now.
I wish I could, like, hold my
This is how it was taken over by the past.
with a sidewalk.
Before development happened.
The sidewalk.
I'm trying to get the houses out.
Oh, and there's development, and that's where we stop, ladies and gentlemen.
Look, there's a bush. Oh, and a sidewalk.
That totally isn't civilization.
No, no, it is not. That is a rewind to the past.
I just wasn't the right time for it, that's all.
It's a time warp, Austin. We're in a time warp, Austin. Austin, it's a time warp. You are confused, young one.
Where is Obi-Wan?
Obi-Wan is in the future. I said time warp as in backwards, because this is the music we're listening to. You went the wrong direction.
One other guy called me whining about the mileage.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my brother.